to introduce the federal government of Nigeria savings bond. As you know, since 2002 and thereabouts, we have been issuing the FGM bonds, federal government of Nigerian bonds. But as you know, these bonds are mainly for institutional investors and for high net worth individuals. These are the bonds we issue every month in order to raise monies to fund the budget as appropriated by the National Assembly. However, we thought that it is important going forward for us to introduce a product that enables the ordinary Nigerian to participate. Ordinary Nigerians also want to contribute, and they want to also participate in the market. So there are Nigerians who have smaller amounts of money, which they also want to contribute. As part of the funds for developing the country, while they expect to earn interest from such savings. Therefore, it is necessary for us to develop an appropriate product that will enable all Nigerians, not only the very rich, but the moderately rich, and indeed every Nigerian is moderately rich. Every Nigerian has something to offer. So it's important that we introduce a product that will enable any Nigerian that has just as little as 5,000 naira to be able to invest in a government instrument, in a government bond, earn interest from it, while helping to contribute to a pool of funds that we use to provide infrastructure for rapid development. In that case, you'll be achieving a number of things. You are helping the population to develop a culture of savings. Because as you know, in every economy, the higher the culture of savings, the greater the chances of the country developing. Because it is from savings, whether by individuals, by households, by companies, that you are able to gather resources that you can now use to invest for growth and development. Given the sincerity and openness of our presentation, being able to tell the market exactly what the challenges are and the various measures government is taking to address those challenges, won the heart of the investors for Nigeria. In particular, investors, we are impressed with the various initiatives that have been undertaken by the government in general and by the Minister of Finance in particular, particularly those relating to dealing with revenue in terms of diversifying sources of revenue, in terms of innovations, introduction of technology, in terms of the focus on efficiency, value for money. Taking all these measures into account, and also taking into account measures in the risk sector, in agriculture, the focus on infrastructure, the focus of the budget on increasing capital expenditure. These were the positive factors that influence the market to have confidence in Nigeria and to believe that in spite of the temporary challenges, Nigeria is moving in the right direction. And the result of this is the very favorable outcome in terms of the volume of investor interest, the volume of subscription, as well as the very favorable price and the readiness of the market to invest in Nigeria for a longer period. Now, let me emphasize that the success of the Eurobond goes beyond the raising of 1 billion. The success is more important for us because it serves as a vote of confidence by the international community on the Nigerian economy. It serves as a vote of confidence and appreciation, acknowledgement, and recognition of the direction government is moving to address the challenges facing the economy and society in general. And for us in Nigeria, it should be a source of pride in the fact that at this very difficult time in the global economy, we are still able to stand tall, moving ahead, and undaunted